Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the legitimate reason for changing logs. You must have authorization. Once done, inventory which Windows event channels are relevant, system, application, security, or custom sources, and note time ranges. Make sure to create an archived backup of existing log files and export metadata for auditing, because you will need a restore point. You will also notify stakeholders and get written approval. This prevents accidental data loss and preserves chain of custody for compliance. You should prefer configuration changes over ad hoc deletions. Set retention policies, maximum sizes, and automatic archive rules so logs are managed consistently. Once done, forward events to a centralized collector or seem to keep long-term records outside the host. Make sure to implement rotation and archival schedules and maintain documentation for each policy change. This ensures forensic value remains intact while reducing local disk usage. You will also review permissions. You finish by validating that archived logs are complete and that any integrity hashes or checksums match. Only then finalize retention changes. If something goes wrong, first confirm backups and forwarding rules. Make sure file and service permissions weren't altered. You should also check audit trails for the administrative actions you performed. If discrepancies persist, escalate immediately to IT or your security team, provide the exported metadata and timelines, and refrain from further host-side changes until investigators advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.